Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Dana. Normally I upload a new video at least once a week, but since it's the holiday season, I am going all out and uploading a new video every single day until at least Christmas. So if you haven't already, now is probably the best time to subscribe to my channel so you can stay on top of all of those new videos. Today I'm unboxing not only one, but two Sips by holiday tea boxes. Sips by has been like incredibly generous with me. They are just sending me all of these teas and all of these boxes, and I have an advent calendar. It's just absolutely crazy, and I appreciate them so incredibly much. They sent me both a caffeinated holiday tea box and an uncaffeinated holiday tea box. So let's start with the caffeinated one. And I think I'm gonna try one from this box today. So here's their cute little postcard. It says the holiday tea box, and it says, I hope you love this specialty box. Along with curated tea selections, your box includes biodegradable filters and tea steeping tips listed below. Kick back, relax, and get ready to brew up a cuppa of something delicious. And I just love the art that they have on their little postcards. There is this cute elfy kind of looking girl with this long scarf and a pointy like elf hat. And she's carrying a big stack of presents that of course includes a Sips by box. These are just so pretty. Like I feel like I could just hang these, all the different ones I've collected. Like they're just so cute. So like it said on there, they always include these biodegradable, disposable filters. And they just look like this. They're just like tea bags that you fill yourself. But I like to save these for like travel, or if someday I ever am on the go again, if this pandemic ever ends and I won't have time to like dump out an infuser, you know, if I want to like just make tea and throw it away. These are awesome to have, so I'll put these to the side. I really appreciate though that they don't just send like boxes of loose tea, like not knowing if you have something to make it with. Like they make sure even if you don't have an infuser or anything at home, like say you send this to like a friend, maybe for Christmas or something, you decide to send them a nice box of tea, but they're not used to loose tea. They usually drink tea from tea bags. Luckily, they'll have tea bags that all they need to do is fill themselves, so they have what they need. But let's see what's in this box. This is the one I'm gonna try today. It's called Be Merry by Teamotions. Teas for emotional well-being. And this one is a dark chocolate peppermint, and it's a green tea, I believe. So this one I'm gonna put right here because I'm coming back to that and we're gonna try it. And then we have Davidson's Organics, who I've never tried. I have their organic Christmas tea. And we have 4 bags of that. And it says a festive blend of tea with seasonal herbs and spices. And this one's a black tea. A lot of these I'll probably review like a different time. So if they sound interesting to you, definitely want to stay tuned. And then I have 4 bags of Comfort and Joy from Republic of Tea, Holiday Blend Round Black Tea Bags. And this one has cinnamon, cloves, licorice root. That's gonna be really good. And then I'm really excited for this one too. It is ginger snap chai, and it's an oolong. Okay, definitely come back to my channel for this because I'm absolutely going to be trying this on my channel. And then there's another cute little postcard that says made for you, and ooh, try your first Sips by box or share this card with a friend. And there's a special code on here to get started with $5 off your first box. And it looks like the code is just Tea Journey. So it doesn't look like it's specific just to me. It looks like anyone could use this. So if you were interested, you could sign up with this code and get $5 off. But I'm gonna go ahead and put all these back in because I want to try the Teamotions Be Merry, and we'll get that steeping before we check out the second box. All right, and since it's a green tea, we only need to steep it for 3 minutes, but we'll give it time to cool. We'll, you know, it'll be good. It smells so good. Oh. In case you're new and you don't know, I just started my business this year. My very first step was this product. It's a metal basket tea infuser. I wanted to sell these because they are just my absolute essential. I think everyone who loves tea or who just wants to drink more tea should have one. They're extremely durable, they're easy to clean. If you want one, my Amazon link is in the description where I sell this, and you're helping to support my dream if you do, so thanks in advance. But let's just go ahead and put the tea right into the infuser, and we'll pour in our water. I don't have it too hot because it's a green tea, so it's on like a lower temperature. All right, now we'll set this to the side for just 3 minutes. I'm gonna set a timer actually, because I hate when you oversteep it on like your first try. So 3 minutes on the clock. And let's see that second box. So this one is all caffeine free. It's the same theme though, it's all holiday. So the same, ooh, wait, it's actually a little different. I think it says all the same like words and everything, but how cute that they sent me 2 different colors. The first one has a pink background and the second one has this like beautiful mint green background. But otherwise, oh, and the elf girls are a little different. Oh, this is so cute. So they're kind of the same, but also like pretty different. See, this girl looks a little bit different than this girl. How cute. Oh, they're both so beautiful. I love this. All right, so this is the caffeine-free box. And same thing, it came with these tea filters. And we have tea pigs who I've never tried and I've always wanted to try. This one is called Spiced Winter Red Tea. And I believe it's a rooibos, but this one has orange peel, ginkgo leaves, orange blossoms, cinnamon, ginseng, cloves, and safflower. Then we have 4 tea bags of Christmas Eve by Stash Tea. I love when tea has these unique names, so you don't know what it is. Like, it's not just called like vanilla green or like, you know what I mean? Like, they're called Christmas Eve and things like that. So you don't know what it's gonna be till you read the ingredients. It's really intriguing. But this one has cinnamon, spearmint, orange peel, vanilla extract, orange oil, natural cinnamon flavor, and clove bud oil. So that sounds really interesting. Then these last 2 I'm really excited about. This one is called Fireside Fig by White Tea Company, W-I-G-H-T. A unique and cozy, oh, there goes our timer. Go ahead and take out the infuser and we'll just let it sit and cool for a while. But Fireside Fig says a unique and cozy combination of honeybush, fig, and spices. I love when teas have figs in it. I feel like you don't really see that a whole lot. Ooh, and this one has cinnamon and ginger too, so I bet that's gonna be really good. And then we have Pinky Up, who I've never even heard of, peppermint macaron. This one I cannot wait to try. I hope it's like almondy, you know, like that almondy flavor of a macaron. And then with that peppermint, ooh, it's gonna be good, I bet. So those are my 2 Sips by Holiday tea boxes. I still can't believe that they sent me all of this, plus an advent calendar, plus cookie tea box, that's like cookie themed teas that I uploaded a video about earlier this week, and also my monthly discovery boxes. They're too gracious with me. It's amazing. So let's turn our attention back to Teamotions Be Merry. So it says limited edition Teamotions tea for emotional well-being, Be Merry, dark chocolate peppermint. And it does say that you can re-steep this for a second cup, so that's cool. I always like when you can do that, like squeeze out an extra cup and get a little more for your money. And then the ingredients are green tea, cocoa nibs, peppermint, spearmint, astragalus root, I don't know that root, pink peppercorns, corn flour, and natural flavor. It looks like a lot of these ingredients are organic as well. Everything except the flavor and the peppercorns, I think. And then the back of this is clear, so we can kind of take a look at it. One of my very first favorite teas that kicked off my tea obsession is Choco Mint Green from Adagio. I just started drinking it again actually, and it's super good. But I love a peppermint chocolate tea, especially a green tea, because green tea is my favorite. But I really want to look on Teamotions website, or if they have a Instagram, I'd like to see that as well. Here we go. Turning a simple cup of tea into a truly healing experience. I'm gonna go ahead and follow them. They're located in Ventura, California, so they are US based. But I do want to read about this particular blend. It says, stay healthy and happy this holiday season with immune boosting astragalus root and a joyous blend of green tea, peppermint leaves, and dark chocolate. So I guess astragalus, astragalus, astragalus root is like an immune boosting root, which is really, really cool. And the purpose of this tea is to boost immunity and lift the mood. For me, all tea lifts my mood. A cup of tea just makes me so happy. Benefits are enhances the function of the immune system and helps prevent illness, combats fatigue, and helps you recenter, reconnect, and retain merry in the midst of the holiday hustle and bustle. Astragalus root improves and strengthens the immune system, provides energy and stress support. Green tea is high in antioxidants. Peppermint and spearmint are natural stress reducers, and there is less than 35 milligrams of caffeine. Astragalus root, it says, is an adaptogen herb from Asia. It supports healthy immune function and has powerful restorative properties. But I say we go ahead and taste it. It's delicious. Honestly, I don't get as much chocolate as I would have expected. I mean, it's a light hint of chocolate. But I think the main flavors in this are the green tea and the mint. I don't get any like weird flavor from astragalus root or anything like that, like anything that tastes weird. So I don't really know like what that root tastes like, but it doesn't taste like anything bad, so that's good. Yeah, honestly, it's a lot like the one I was talking about from Adagio, which was one of my first favorite teas of all time. So I really like that this one is like understated, you know? It definitely, you taste the green tea and you taste the mint, and then you get a hint of chocolate. Like the chocolate is not crazy. So this, I could even picture myself like drinking this in the morning, to be honest. Yeah, just that light hint of chocolate is perfect. This is really good, and I'm honestly curious to try more from Teamotions because it looks like they use a lot of adaptogens, which I don't know much about, and I'm intrigued. So I love that Sips By really helps me to open my mind to new tea brands and new, I guess, intentions behind different tea brands. It's just interesting to me how, like, you know, some teas are health focused, some teas are like for fun focused, and it's all these like special fun blends, and then some are emotional health focused like Teamotions. So really, really cool. I want to give a big giant thank you to Sips By for 2 holiday tea boxes. And if any of the teas in those boxes sound good to you, stay tuned because I will be doing several more tea reviews so you can see even more of these. But I hope you and your families are all staying safe and healthy. I hope you are having a beautiful holiday season and a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.